Me did Isaac Jumpo, but you have the great sample and bring one man come when you too much G8, too much G8, more too much. Namenso, may I'm more fire.
Obibia akwa abade batu manchich anything so mercy cow me je makonya kasese ana nsema circulate wo manmu ena me de ba beto ma apono so na tiefo election echi die sense mu pi na kan say easy bar out ebe declare a winner for this year 2020 election e dey na che say ebi makuma de entom yem up to now na therefore do na sutu say ye akoma ento yem no ginger free prophet for womo de chiale chi womo say ye we na be win na ekoba say win no sutu say ye wiemu e de ama party ye baako na enu echi no Ghana for bebre praise easy say why bold enough declare a winner che say one easy gene point pa na ni na echi so na bi mu so de Ghana for mo amunim Ghana ha de amanyoko mienu na wo mu ni de ye Ghana for dodo na to o ma abade ma won ni MPP ni NDC amanyoko enti ye den a ye easy aba out abe declare say MPP amanoko na afa akonya no NDC fo ne de ankoye amfa amawo omakoma antom yem se na mdi kan ka mensem na enu achi ni krampo ne asay asem no kra ne say easy sa baba ye correction bi ana che say figures a wo gina so ma percentage declare is less than do down na changes kakwa be mu wono ni nsem no changes na abemu ni correct figure na odi abetu dwa no sesa hwe na for figure ye mami Miss Jane Mensa betu dwa beginning no declare ye winner no 13,433,573 members should be 13,433,573 and later correction figure what the betu channel total valid vote cast 13,119,460 13,119,460 na enu de chinu na magana for kasa chese figures ya insisaye kakra ebe mu no ama ka MPP any NDC for niti bom papa especially amonyoko NDC na enu chinu is as former president John Dramani Mahama empo the December 2 just say wonu wonji abani ntum onji ntum and engine ntum ochina na ama is excellence former president Mofanchemete for former president rejection awodi ama this declaration ti ama the supporters so woman bodom pim woman demonstrate say abano ye wiemu asofo nso kase ye wiemu just dodo na kase ye wiemu na no echi no woman de betu just say EC Miss Jane Mensa and ye will declare ye and ye will two kind of flyer if you are my mukopie mu USA. Na ebi susu se na walk on airport why na che say American embassy for just security for a woman deport in the back Ghana say then figures are what they are two judges are causing commotion and attention wa Ghana hano one son echi embra embembe solve o meka mo asemina NC na etie for enu echi no Ghana for akasa say mami electoral commission for aba out abekasa na one moment release statement na statement ni mo no one mo pa che say one mo declare election ni we yo mo ko bebi aye still one mo di omjuma ese one mo duty say one mo di teacher say Ghana for no mo ka say one mo tu kwan one fa ha no one mo jai na Ghana for no ni one mo ye de asenia kasa dodoɔ na no kasa the therefore statement ni mu no say no call no we wish to state that Miss Jane Mensah, the chairperson of the Electoral Commission, as well as all the commissioners, are at post discharging their legally mandated duties. Mr. Abosu Biemo, we wish to state that Miss Jane Mensah, the chairperson of the Electoral Commission, as well as the commissioners, are at post discharging their legally mandated duties. Therefore, say ya na call no ba che so muni baby akọ mu ko baby enemo nkofuku a wo nyina ewo isi ase no wo pa wo di wo djuma na to as the statement which did not bear any name and signature but only the letterhead of the EC had said the attention of Electoral Commission has been drawn to the information circulating on social media claiming that its chairperson traveled outside the country after declaring the 2020 presidential election result. Or patches a news, rumors such as easy for nemo nunti no release statement. One mobile can woman no say woman omuni baby akoti Ghana for dodoɔ na kyerɛ sɛ wɔn kasa sɛ easy declare ya no two kwan akɔka ne kunu mo ne mba mo USA no enye no kre wɔn nkɔ baby ayɛ Ghana ha ya na wɔn wɔ ɛsan sɛ wɔn wɔ dwumadie di na afɛ so wɔn dwumadie ɛna wɔn di na tie for wo hwɛ sɛ ne nneɛma ne kɔyɛ na easy figure si ɔde bɛtu dwa to twɛn nsɛm ba na Ghana for so kasa na yomu ye na womu kasa no kure say ye na isi for da betu twa say womu ko baby na Ghana for kasa say ye isi for padi che say pabram omu dikari an ko ya na utimi say Ghana for ye timi de nko for to asem mu dwedo wom cheche wom na say na tie bia misusu say obi bia wo hwe mo so wo adwenche ja adwenche to your comment section on family afi subscribe too much GH if you dey case say na be don the boy won so ubetumi a kire wade na fe ubetumi so a share like everyone channel where be see cow na think it away ebe so mo njume ko am so ya se mama Juliet Ventures oba be say o kitchen e wo ye any card dia bo wan dia fe mama Juliet no be bo am wo nya o kitchen equipment ni ama o kitchen e wo aye any kan kasa fe loan master Emma loan within 24 hours. Now we answer for the ability na government work and work and we rating so there. Well form of a loan master no be wow. I'm away now urgent money for urgent project. Aha, and then remember your coin and demo. That's ne ye besa Asia makram.